Oh, you thought we were done cooking outside? Nah. You don't have to be outside to smoke food. So, let's get started. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification button next to it. Also, don't forget to comment down below, share with your friends and family. Let's get back to the video. So, today we are making smoked buffalo chicken mac and cheese. I know, that's a mouthful, but you already know it sounds good, and you already know it's gonna be good. So, inside, I got my noodles pre-cooked. I'm using shells, by the way, because I like shells. And then we'll bring everything out here, put it together, and throw it in the smoker. All right, so our noodles are done, as you can see here. We're gonna save about a half cup of our pasta water, and then we'll go outside and put it all together. All right, so I got my noodles. Now, ask about the gloves later. In fact, I'll let you know here in a second, mainly because since I'm outside, I need to break up my cream cheese, which is gonna go in here, but we'll get to that here in a minute. But I have my ingredients. So I have about a pound of rotisserie chicken that's already pulled for me. Or if you just get, you know, a whole rotisserie chicken and then pull it yourself, you need about a pound and a half. And then I have 4 cups of cheddar cheese and 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese, which for the cheddar cheese, I'm gonna save half of this bag, so about 2 cups, to sprinkle on top and melt in the smoker. And then I got my pasta water. I have about a pint of heavy cream, which is about 2 cups. And then you need a total of about a cup of hot sauce. I just happen to have various amounts of hot sauce in my fridge that I'm trying to get rid of. But yeah, you need about a cup of hot sauce. And then, like I said, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese that you can either cube up or break up with your hands with gloves and mix in throughout this. So let's get started. So I got my 1 pound of chicken. Okay, then I'm gonna add my heavy cream. Okay, then I'm gonna add my cream cheese. Okay, then like I said, I'm gonna break it up. Okay, then I'm gonna add my whole bag of Monterey Jack cheese. Okay, then I'm gonna add my half bag of cheddar cheese. Okay, then I'm gonna add my pasta water. Okay, then I'm gonna add my 1 cup of hot sauce. Something else I forgot, you need to add about a cup of milk. Okay, now this is where you add your hot sauce. All right, there you go. Our smoker is set to 225, so we're gonna put this in here for about an hour. See you in about an hour. All right, so this has only been going for about 20 minutes, but I wanna do this before it gets cold out or gets dark outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my cheese to this. Now I gave it a good stir before I did this. That way everything's kind of mixed up a little bit. But there you have it. That's what it looks like right now. But I gave it a good stir. I'm gonna add the rest of my cheese to it. And then we'll let it go for another half an hour or so until the cheese melts. All right. Yeah. We're gonna top this with some green onion, and it smells delish. All right, so I got my plate. Just this? No, I'm just kidding. Got my plate. Yum. That looks divine. Oh yeah. That looks delicious. Smells good. Let's try it out. All right. Cheers. Wow, that is really, wow. So, buffalo sauce obviously came through. Cheese melted quite nicely. The noodles are cooked perfectly. The sauce is nice and creamy. This is really good. It's nice and spicy, but it's not like overpowering spice. It's got a nice smoke flavor to it. I can do a lot of this because mac and cheese is kind of like my favorite thing. This will definitely warm up the sinuses just a little bit, but this is, trying to make a mess, but yeah, this is, I probably could have given it one more good mix before I put the cheese on, just to help incorporate it a little bit, but yeah, this is pretty spot on. But there you have it, guys. Smoked buffalo chicken mac and cheese. If you like this video, again, make sure you share it with your friends and family. And as always, guys, peace out.